Nothing has unveiled Essential Voice, a speech-to-text engine that promises to deliver clear, ready-to-send text in real time. It improves upon the traditional dictation that while turns speeches into text, includes all the all of your stutters, and sometimes zero punctuation. Essential Voice promises to give you the speed and ease of talking with the clarity and flexibility of text. It cuts filler words for more streamlined and considered output. It also auto-detects more than 100 languages, lets you choose regional variants for languages like English and Spanish. Essential Voice can translate what you're saying while it transcribes it. It supports shortcuts for things you say often or for specific spelling, so you can tell it to write nothing OS every time it hears nothing OS. While, for example, it can also link an address to the name of your favorite restaurant. Nothing Promises Essential Voice does not listen to you in background, only activates when you choose to use it. Once activated, your audio recording is encrypted and processed on Nothing server. The generated text is then returned to your device without being stored on Nothing servers. Essential Voice is available on Nothing Phone 3. It will make it onto Nothing Phone 4a Pro later this month and Nothing Phone 4a in early May. It integrates into the built-in keyboard and Essential Key.